Okay, so I'm back here with another coffee machine video. This time is to descale the Delonghi Magnifica S. If you're using your machine, you notice this light here starts to flash, and that's warning you your machine needs to be descaled. The process is lengthy but fairly straightforward as long as you follow the correct procedure. Now I've already got the correct amount of descaler and water in the tank on the side as per the manufacturer's instructions, and you can buy one of the kits in the link below the video. Now the procedure is quite straightforward. You need to make sure that you've got a jug that can take at least 1.5 litres of liquid, which I have here, and we're going to place that jug underneath the cappuccino wand just here, because as we descale the machine, any liquid that's left is going to come out of the machine and go into that jug. So to start the cycle, we need to press and hold the descale button for at least 5 seconds, and that confirms to the machine that we've added the solution in the tank, as I've already discussed. The light on the machine will then remain steady, and that will indicate to me that the descaling program has begun. And then you will find that this light will start to flash, which will tell me that the steam dial is ready to be turned, and the descaler is going to come out of the steam one. So here we go. So we press and hold the button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Steady light on there, and now the steam light is flashing. Now what we're going to do to start the descaling process is we're going to turn the steam dial half a turn in the anti-clockwise direction to position 1, and then this descaler will start to go through the machine. So here we go. And you need to be really careful when you do this. Obviously steam's very hot and there's acid in that as well, which is being used as the descaler, so make sure you keep well away from it. And away we go. And this process can take a little while. I'm just going to skip forward on the video to save you wasting your life watching this. So the machine has automatically stopped itself, and it will do that periodically, so it will go through this cycle. Just need to bear with it, let it do what it needs to do, and it will go on like this for up to half an hour. So make yourself a cup of tea, because you ain't going to be using a coffee machine for a little while, and let it do its thing. We'll come back to this in just a moment. Okay, so it took about 20 minutes and the cycle is now complete. So the tank is empty, and you can see now that the descaler is in the jar. Now for the next stage, we need to take off the tank, rinse it out with cold water, fill it up with cold water, and we're going to run that through the machine. And that should be it then for descaling the Magnifica S. So I'm going to do that now. So as soon as I pushed the tank of clean water in, the machine started again. Off it goes. It's rinsing through now the clean water. Just be aware that the minute you put that tank back in again, this will start to empty. So you need to make sure that you've emptied your jug, before you put the clean water back in, otherwise your jugs will overflow. It's running the clean water through now, and all being well, once it's finished, this light should go off and we're ready to use the machine again. And this will happen as this will come on depending on how hard the water in your area is, and you can check out my other video on how to tell and set the water hardness for your machine. So The machine is now emptied out the tank, as we can see. I'm just going to close off the tap there for the wand, and as you can see, the light has gone out for the Descale. I just need to fill it up with water again in the tank, and I can start using my machine again. Thanks for watching.